The University of Manchester and the Henry Royce Institute have developed a digital twin of a wire arc additive manufacturing cell. The system has been tested by manufacturing a scaled-down component of a fusion power plant. The geometry is viewed using NVIDIA's Omniverse and prepared for printing layer by layer using specially developed software. The robot movements in the physical cell are streamed to the digital twin, together with sensor data and video footage of the wire arc deposition. A laser scanner mounted on one of the robot arms digitizes each layer as it is cooling down. The scan is viewed in the Omniverse, where it can be measured by the end user. The digitized information can later be used to improve the build quality of the manufactured component. This work was funded by the United Kingdom Atomic Energy Authority through the Fusion Industry Program.